Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the signs that indicate you might not be drinking enough water. Let's jump right in. 1. Dark urine. One of the first signs is the color of your urine. If it's darker than a pale yellow, it's a signal that you need to up your water intake. 2. Dry mouth and thirst. Feeling constantly thirsty or experiencing dryness in your mouth can be indicators that your body needs more hydration. 3. Headaches. Headaches can be a common symptom of dehydration. When you're not drinking enough water, your brain tissue loses water, causing it to shrink and pull away from the skull. 4. Fatigue. If you're feeling tired and sluggish throughout the day, it could be because your body is not adequately hydrated. Dehydration can lead to decreased blood volume and a drop in blood pressure, leaving you feeling drained. 5. Dry skin. Dry, flaky skin can be a telltale sign that you need to drink more water. When your body is dehydrated, your skin loses elasticity, making it prone to dryness and irritation. 6. Constipation. Not drinking enough water can lead to constipation, as water helps soften stool and promote regular bowel movements. So, if you're feeling backed up, it might be time to reach for that water bottle. 7. Muscle cramps. Muscle cramps are another sign of dehydration. When you're low on fluids, your muscles are more prone to cramping and spasms. It's your body's way of telling you it needs more water to function properly. 8. Dizziness or lightheadedness. Feeling dizzy or lightheaded can occur when you're dehydrated, as a lack of fluids can cause a drop in blood pressure, affecting blood flow to the brain. 9. Bad breath. Believe it or not, dehydration can contribute to bad breath. Saliva helps wash away food particles and bacteria in the mouth. But when you're dehydrated, your mouth produces less saliva, leading to dryness and odor, causing bacteria buildup. 10. Sugar cravings. Craving sugary snacks? It could be your body's way of signaling dehydration. When you're low on fluids, your body may misinterpret thirst as hunger, leading to cravings for sweets. So, there you have it, 10 signs that you might not be drinking enough water. Remember, staying hydrated is essential for overall health and well-being. If you've experienced any of these signs, it's time to up your water intake. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. And as always, drink up and stay hydrated.